Yes or no questions with long answers. Is it Monday today? No. Today is Thursday. Is it your turn? Yes. It's my turn to speak now. Is it dark outside? Yes. It's already night time. Do you like coffee? No. I'm more of a tea person. Are you feeling sick? Yes. I think I caught a cold. Is it raining heavily? No. It's just a light drizzle. Is it far away? No. It's just a short walk from here. Is it the weekend tomorrow? No. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Are you afraid of spiders? Yes. I'm terrified of them. Are you ready? Yes. I've been ready for this for weeks. Is it a long way? No. It's just a short walk from here. Did you buy a new phone? No. I'm still using my old one. Are you feeling sad? No. I'm feeling pretty happy today. Are you happy? Yes. I'm feeling pretty content right now. Are you hungry? No. I had a big lunch a little while ago. Are you cold? No. I'm actually quite warm in this sweater. Did you take the bus? No. I walked here. It's not too far. Do you like pizza? Yes. Pizza is one of my favorite foods. Is it bedtime? Yes. It's getting late. Time to hit the hay. Are you good at math? No. I struggle with math quite a bit. Are you listening? Yes. I'm all ears. Go ahead and tell me. Is it your sister's birthday? No. Her birthday is next week. Are you excited? Yes. I can't wait for the concert tomorrow. Are you allergic to peanuts? No. I don't have any allergies. Did you finish your lunch? Yes. I had a salad and a sandwich. Is it your friend's birthday? No. Her birthday is next month. Are you going to the gym? No. I'm too tired to work out today. Are you going to the gym? No. I'm too tired to work out today. Are you wearing glasses? No. I'm wearing contact lenses today. Did you finish your dessert? Yes. It was delicious. Thank you. Did you clean the dishes? Yes. I washed them all after dinner. Are you going to the party? No. I have other plans for tonight. Are you going to the mountains? No. I'm not really into hiking. Did you finish your tea? Yes. I drank it while it was still hot. Is it your car? No. It's my sister's car. I'm just borrowing it. Are you tired? Yes. I had a long day at work, and I'm exhausted. Is it raining? Yes. It's been raining steadily for the past hour. Did you watch TV yesterday? Yes. I caught up on my favorite show. Are you going on vacation? Yes. I'm leaving for Hawaii next week. Is the dog outside? No. He's curled up on the couch taking a nap. Is it your favorite movie? No. But it's definitely in my top 10. Did you go shopping? No. I didn't have time to go shopping today. Are you busy? Yes. I have a lot of work to do before the deadline. Are you going out? Yes, I'm meeting some friends for dinner later. Is it your first time here? No, I've been here a few times before. Did you forget your keys? No, I have them right here in my pocket. Is the store open? No, it closed early today due to a power outage. Did you forget your homework? No, I remembered to bring it with me. Did you take a shower? Yes, I took a nice long shower this morning. Did you exercise today? No, I didn't have time to fit in a workout. Are you feeling better? No, unfortunately, I still have a headache. Is it time to go? Yes, we should leave now if we want to be on time. Did you finish your book? No, I'm still in the middle of reading it. Did you have a good day? Yes, I had a really productive day at work. Is it your favorite color? No, my favorite color is blue, not green. Did you go to school today? No, it's Saturday, so there's no school. Did you forget your phone? No, I have it with me. It's in my pocket. Did you study for the test? Yes, I spent all evening studying for it. Is it your favorite restaurant? No, but the food here is pretty good. Did you find your wallet? Yes, it was under the couch the whole time. Did you forget your umbrella? Yes, and now it's pouring rain outside. Is it your favorite song? No, but it's definitely one of my favorites. Is it your favorite book? Yes, it's one of my all-time favorite books. Did you finish your dinner? No, I couldn't finish it. It was too much. Are you going to the museum? No, I'm not really interested in museums. Are you going to the movies? Yes, I'm going with some friends tonight. Do you have a cat? Yes, her name is Luna, and she's the sweetest thing. Did you clean your room? Yes, I tidied up my room earlier this morning. Are you going to the beach? No, it's too cold to go to the beach today. Did you finish your work? No, I still have a few more tasks to complete. Did you see that movie? No, I missed it, but I heard it was really good. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I love chocolate, especially dark chocolate. Is it snowing? No, it's not snowing, but it's definitely chilly outside. Are you going to the concert? No, I'm not really into that kind of music. Did you finish your snack? Yes, I had some chips and salsa. It was tasty. Is it your birthday? Yes, it's my birthday today. Thanks for remembering. Did you finish your coffee? No, I still have a little bit left in my cup. Is it your favorite sport? No, but I enjoy watching it from time to time. Did you fix the problem? No, I'm still trying to figure out what's wrong. Are you going to the zoo? Yes, I'm taking my niece there for her birthday. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept like a log last night. Thanks for asking. Did you finish your drink? No, I still have some left. Would you like some? Did you go for a walk? No. It started raining just as I was about to go out. Is it the last episode? Yes. It's the series finale, so I'm sad it's ending. Did you see that bird? Yes. It was a beautiful cardinal perched on the tree. Are you going to the park? Yes. I'm meeting some friends there for a picnic. Are you going to the party? Yes. I'm looking forward to it. It should be fun. Did you eat breakfast? Yes. I had pancakes with syrup and fruit this morning. Did you call your friend? No. I forgot to call them. Thanks for reminding me. Is it hot outside? Yes. It's scorching out there. Make sure to wear sunscreen. Did you close the window? Yes. I remember to close it before leaving the house. Did you cook dinner? No. I ordered takeout from the restaurant down the street. Is it your favorite place? Yes. I love coming here. It's so peaceful and relaxing. Did you finish your project? Yes. I finally completed it after weeks of hard work. Did you finish your painting? No. I'm still working on it. It's not quite done yet. Did you finish your homework? Yes. I finally completed it after working on it for hours. Did you finish your ice cream? Yes. It was melting too fast, so I had to eat it quickly. Is it your dog? No. It's my neighbor's dog, but I'm taking care of it while they're away. Did you find your glasses? No. I'm still looking for them. I can't seem to find them anywhere. Did you finish your sandwich? Yes. It was delicious. I made it with turkey and avocado.